How to align business goals with IT objectives using COBIT 5 in today's fast-paced business world. IT must align with business goals. It's vital for success. COBIT 5 is a global IT governance and management framework. It provides a complete way to achieve this alignment. This framework links IT and business. It ensures tech investments support business goals, reduce risks, and maximize value. Understanding the importance of IT business alignment. IT business alignment is the sync of IT and business strategies to achieve goals. It's important. It ensures that IT investments and initiatives are directly contributing to business objectives. Leveraging COBIT 5 principles for strategic alignment. COBIT 5 stresses the need to meet stakeholders. IT initiatives must support business goals. End-to-end governance. The framework provides a full view of governance. It covers all IT activities and aligns them with business processes. Using a single integrated framework. COBIT 5 integrates with other frameworks and standards. It enables a consistent approach to governance and management across the organization. Implementing COBIT 5 enablers for effective alignment. COBIT 5 outlines governance and management objectives. They align IT initiatives with business strategies. The focus is on value creation, risk management, and resource optimization. Measuring and monitoring alignment with COBIT 5 performance measurement. COBIT 5 includes practices to measure performance. They help organizations track and assess how well IT aligns with business goals. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Use KPIs to assess IT governance and management. They should support business goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, aligning IT with business goals is key to success today. COBIT 5 offers a strong framework for this alignment. It provides clear governance principles, enablers, and ways to measure performance. COBIT 5 can help organizations. It ensures their IT investments support business goals. It also optimizes resources and manages risks.